Hi, Jamie. Well, since it's your birthday, I've agreed to share my singing prowess to everyone. Dapat tinatago ko na lang eh. Pero sige, pumayag na ako sa mami mo. Medyo matagal na yung mga alam kong kanta. Hindi ko na nga masyadong kabisado yung lyrics. Pero sige, try natin. Ano ba? Celine Dion. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. Hapdi at kirot na dulot nitong damdamin. Di ko na kayang mabuhay sa mundo kung mawawala ka sa piling ko. Kanina agad. Ano pa ba? Superman. I can't stand to fly, and I don't know why. I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die. Lumanda rin yun, baka hindi mo na alam. Maroon 5. I've got to move like Jagger, I've got to move like Jagger. Lagot ka na, siguradong huli ka. Bruno Mars. When I see your face, may baril, walang bala, may bulsa, wala namang pera. Okay, tama na. Tigilan natin to. Last song. Okay, last song. Yaama kamta ng kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya ako'y bituing walang ningning. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Happy birthday! And see you soon! Enjoy!